I'm gonna show you how you can make this theme right here. As you can see, this is like a regular post in Instagram, a regular picture, and some people make it bigger with more small pictures together, and they create this big image in the feed. And I was asking myself, how can I do that? And of course there's an app for that. So here you have more samples. Here's a couple more. So when I first learned how to do this, I was like so excited, and I kept going, and I kept trying new photos and see how I can make this work. And what I found is that you have to plan in advance how you're gonna make your post. And I feel like more Instagram accounts do the same when they wanna like step up their game. So this is like more simple than other Instagram themes. Some other ones like they have to deal with colors, and like it's like sometimes it can get like so difficult. This is not as difficult as others, but you have to plan in advance how you're gonna make your post. Because let's say that you want to post something like this. As you can see, is 4 pictures by 3. So this picture at least has to take 4 days to finish it, so you don't annoy your followers, because it can be like annoying to see like this kind of picture. Like this is gonna be your feed, like, and you're scrolling down and you're gonna find out like an image like this, and you're gonna be like, what is that? Or something like this, or like this. You're gonna be like, oh. And if you see like 10 pictures looking the same way like this, you're gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna stop following this guy. And we don't want that, so you have to take your time with this. And after many tries and see how things work with this theme on Instagram, I decided to switch things around. And this is the final feed that I'm working with right now. This is what I'm doing nowadays, and I quit this one. It looks very nice, but you have to plan it in advance, and it sometimes can be annoying. So but if you want to give it a try, I'm gonna show you how you can do it. And there's an app that I'm gonna share with you. So this is the app, and you're gonna find like different apps to accomplish this Instagram theme, but this is like my favorite one so far, just because most of the other apps you can post like you can make things work with this kind of theme, but with this app you can actually make it bigger. You can post 4 pictures by 3, as I showed you before. And some other apps just can make your pictures 3 by 3 or 3 by 2 or 1 by 3. So let me explain what I mean by that. So we're gonna pick a photo, and let's do this. Let's use this one. So this is what I mean, 1 by 3. You see, it's just one row of pictures, which looks very nice too. And then the second one is this, which would be 3 by 2, and the next one is 3 by 3, which is the square one. and this one looks also very nice. And the last one, and this is the last option, and this option made me use this app actually. So this is the last choice. Like, you can center your picture, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can move it from one side to another, so you can put it like right in the center. And yeah, so you're gonna click next after this, and this is the one of my more important advices with this app. So you're gonna take a screenshot of this, and I'll tell you why. So you click save, and then you're gonna have like a bunch of small pictures on your phone, and they're gonna look like this. You see all these small images, and I told you to take a screenshot so you can see the numbers and see what you can post on your page. So as you can see right here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So of course, common sense, right? The first post is gonna be the number 1, and then the second one, the third one, and so on and so forth. So you can just go to your Instagram account and click on plus and find number 1, and keep in mind how it looks. So once you have that in mind, you're gonna find the actual picture. In this case, it's gonna be like a little more difficult because they look very similar, but yeah, this is one. So then you click next, and then you post it. Then you wait a couple hours or 3 hours, or just wait. Don't post them all at once because it's very annoying. I even stopped following people that have done this in the past because it's like actually like very annoying. Like, just imagine, like, you see this picture, it has low quality, you don't even know what it is. It's just completely annoying. Then you can post number 2, number 3, and like the other numbers, like let's say number 8 is gonna be like so easy to find because it's the actual dog. So this is number 8, and you just keep posting in this order as the numbers are showing right now. And then you're gonna have to make 12 posts in order to accomplish this entire picture on your Instagram page, so you can have like this very cool theme that a lot of people have. And I'm just not gonna publish it because I'm not doing that anymore, but this is it. Like, this is how you can do it and have like this effect. These are like few samples, and like this is one of my favorite ones, the duck flying. It looks very nice. But yeah, this is how you can do it. If you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description. Thank you.